There has never been an easier time to start an Amazon business in an online business that generates cash, gives you an additional income, and generates revenue for you from the comfort of your own home. It's never been easier to have an online business due to having artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence works for you like 10 employees, and it can work non-stop 24 hours while you sleep and take over for those inane, boring tasks that you need to do for your business, but you can delegate quite easily and focus on what matters most: finding new products for your Amazon business. Most sellers out there are not sure how to use AI for their business. So in this video, I'm going to give you 3 simple uses for your Amazon business that will free up time for you to dedicate yourself into what matters most: creating more revenue for your business and finding new products. AI is not here to take our jobs. It's here to make our jobs easier, especially when it comes to online business. There are a bunch of repetitive tasks that we really don't want to do and don't generate money, but they're necessary as part of the operations of everyday business. So let's go over 3 things that AI can do for you for less than $20, and it can do them all day. And in the end of this video, I will also show you a bonus way that nobody's thinking about of how to make yourself stand out of the competition using AI. First, AI can work as your assistant to answer emails, go through them every single morning, generate a report for you, indicating if suppliers have responded to you, if anyone needs a reply from you. But it also can send out emails to hundreds of suppliers all the time, giving them a pre-created template that you did for the suppliers, and having the AI send out those messages to suppliers. For example, requesting for their product spreadsheets or requesting for additional information on how to open up an account with a supplier. You can give ChatGPT or any AI, like Gemini for that matter, a template of what it should send every supplier, and the AI will customize that template depending on the supplier's name and their company name, and then it will redact the message in your email and send it out to suppliers. It can send out thousands of emails every single week, and it can do it without any assistance from you. Not only that, but ChatGPT can also access your email every single morning and do a report from you from the emails that you got from your supplier. Because another very important part about communicating with suppliers is having a prompt response. So ChatGPT agent can go into your email, check and read every single email that you got during the night or during the day, and then create a report for you and tell you, these people need a response, these people are asking so-and-so questions, and it can really help you go through all of your messages at once and give an overview of what responses are needed first. It will act as your personal assistant when it comes to communicating with suppliers via email. Having AI do this process for you will really help you free up time and give a great impression to suppliers because you're communicating faster and giving more prompt responses. The best part is it will take over the inane, boring task of sending emails over and over to open up accounts with suppliers. The second thing ChatGPT or AI can do for you is format a website from a supplier into an Excel spreadsheet. So one of the issues that we have as sellers on Amazon is that sometimes our suppliers have very old websites and very old way of operating, and they don't manage CSV files or Excel spreadsheets with their product lists and their product costs and their product information. Sometimes they'll have a website, a PDF catalog, which is worse, with images and text, and we cannot extract that information, the product information from that, to put it into, for example, a tool like Profit Hunter's ASIN scanner that will go over all of the products of our supplier and match those products to Amazon, see if there are any matches between the products your supplier have and products in Amazon, to see if there's any profit, any opportunities in there. But when we get PDF catalogs from a supplier, or when a supplier tells us, I don't have a CSV file, a spreadsheet, you need to go into my website, see what products I have there, then we cannot extract that information and put it into a tool like the ASIN scanner. So we lose a lot of time because we have to manually analyze every single product on their PDF catalog or on their website. And this really takes so much time, and it's not productive. So thanks to AI, thanks to tools like ChatGPT, we can now use them to extract all of the information from a PDF catalog or even a website, so that then the AI can transfer that into a CSV file, an Excel spreadsheet. So that's fantastic. We don't need to manually analyze anymore. We can give ChatGPT a PDF file with pictures, with text, and it will format it into a CSV Excel file with columns that say product name or product ID, product cost, number of units, etc. This is really a game changer, and most people out there don't know about this particular The last use of AI that I really love is using AI to help you create very quickly product listings and product listing images. So using ChatGPT, we can create professional product photography within minutes just by uploading the picture of our product in a clear background like this, in a solid background, and then adding a prompt. ChatGPT will take out the background, add professional lighting, and give us an end product that is fantastic and costs less than $20. Also, Amazon has integrated AI technology into their Seller Central platform as well. When you are creating a listing in Amazon Seller Central, Amazon has already actually integrated AI tools there to help you create your listings faster. So actually, you can already generate things like a product description, a product title within Amazon Seller Central with their AI tools right there. So therefore, making your life much easier. Also, always we need a human touch at the end. So always review the information that Amazon AI listing creator has created for you, because sometimes they can change small details like product quantities, etc. But this will really help you save up time and also thousands of dollars that before would have costed you to hire someone externally, for example, to create listings for you, to create product photography for you. So now AI helps us not only save time, but money when it comes to listings. And finally, to the bonus. So one of my favorite new ways to use AI, and I've been sharing this with a lot of Amazon sellers that work with me closely, is using AI to create a very quick website, a one-page website for you, for your company, in order to be able to send that to potential new suppliers and brands that you want to work with. Having a website makes you really stand out from the rest of the competition because it gives you that extra layer of professionalism. Not everybody has a website. It can be a very simple website that just states your company name, your company values, such as having professionalism, working with products, respecting the integrity of the brands and the suppliers, etc. Having your business information like address, email address, phone number, all the contact information, and that's it. That's all you need, but it's gonna add you that extra layer of professionalism, and it's gonna set you apart from all of these newbie sellers that obviously don't have a website. Aside from that, when you create a new seller account with Walmart, for example, Walmart will require a website. So having this tool at hand and knowing how to use AI to, within 10 minutes, create a website is a fantastic way to set yourself apart and create a competitive advantage for you. So tell me, do you have any other uses of AI for your Amazon business that you really love? Share in the comments. And if you want to learn more about how to use Amazon for your online business, or just in general how to sell on Amazon in 2025, make sure that you click the link below this video in the description box to access a free 1-hour class where we will explain to you step by step how to get started selling on Amazon, Walmart, and online in general. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.